One glimpse of today's treat and your Valentine will think you spent a bundle on ordering a gourmet dessert. Howard shows us how to make chocolate mousse cups in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
With Valentine's Day right around the corner, I hope you have a card and maybe a little something for that someone special. But just in case you forgot, we have an easy treat that says, I love you. It's a rich chocolate mousse that goes together like this. And wait until you see how we serve it. We combine some water, sugar, and instant coffee in a saucepan over high heat. When it comes to a boil, we pour it over some chocolate chips and stir them until they melt. While it cools slightly, we beat some heavy cream with a touch of vanilla just until stiff peaks form. Now we slowly fold the chocolate into the whipped cream until it's blended evenly. To take this over the top, after all, it's Valentine's Day. We're going to serve it out of a homemade chocolate cup. To make them, all we do is melt some chocolate chips along with a bit of shortening. Once it's smooth, we dip the end of a balloon in it, give it a twist, and let it set. When we pop the balloon, we end up with chocolate cups that are perfect to fill with our to-die-for mousse. Does this look decadent or what? One glimpse of this and your Valentine will think you spent a bundle on them. The recipe for our chocolate mousse cups is online now, just in time for Valentine's Day, or really anytime you want something super special. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a doubly chocolate way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.